Hello students, another rhythm reading using the numbering system lesson, boys and girls. This is new information and it's kind of tricky, so listen up. Let's review how to read these rhythms. Are you ready? And a review now. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Do it again. Ready, read. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Alright, one more time. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Check out this next rhythm. I'm going to take the beat off for a minute because this is rather tricky. You got the first beat, 1 and. You got the second beat, 2. Look at that third beat. Oh my goodness. Let's skip it for now and go to the fourth beat. 4, right? Okay. So you've got those beats. 1 and 2, something, 4. Well, let's figure out what this something is. Let's take a look. Well, if we break it apart, look at this first note. Okay, it looks like an 8th note. As a matter of fact, let me cover this part up right here. All right, if that were covered up and we were just left with that first half of the beat, what would you say there? Well, it's the beginning of beat 3, so you would say 3, right? Okay, so we have 1 and 2, 3. Now let's look at the rest of it. I'm going to cover that up. Look, 2 16th notes, and it's the second half. Well, if we had 4 16th notes, it would be 3 and a, right? But we only have the last 2. So if we left out the first 2, 3 and just put and a, that would be how you would read this rhythm. 3 and a. You don't say the E because the E, that 16th note, isn't there. Oh my goodness. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Are you ready? And to say it, go. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Say it again. Here you go. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Say it 4 times. Ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. 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 Let's look at the next slide. Look at the first beat. Well, let me go back to that other page and look at the third beat here. The 3 and a. Look at that rhythm. 8, 2 16th notes, right? 8th note and 2 16th notes. Now look at the first beat. 8 and 2 16th notes. So what would you say there? 1 and a. That's what you would say. 1 and a. What would you say here? Beat 2, you'd say 2. How about beat 3? 3 and. How about beat 4? 4. So that entire line would go like this. 1 and a 2, 3 and 4. Are you ready? And to say it, go. 1 and a 2, 3 and 4. Say it 4 times. Ready, go. 1 and a 2, 3 and 4. 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 Does that make sense? So you still have the 1 and, right? Like as if it were just 2 8th notes, but then you have, since these are 16th notes, you gotta throw in that 1 and a, right? Alright, let's see. I'm hoping this is making sense. Look at this next one. What do you say on beat 1? 1 and a. How about beat 2? 2 and a. How about beat 3? 3 and a. What about beat 4? 4 and. Just listen. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. Are you ready? And to say it, go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. Say it 4 times. Ready, go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. Hey, what do you say on beat 1? Remember, 1 E and a. How about beat 2? Check it out. 2 and a. What about beat 3? 3 and a. And of course beat 4. 4. My turn first. 1 E and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Your turn, ready, and here you go. 1 E and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Do it 4 times. Ready, go. 1 E and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 E and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 E and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 E and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. That is challenging. Now let's look at the next rhythm. Beat 1, 1 and. Beat 2, 2. Beat 3. Now wait a minute, it's backwards from what we were doing. Look, the 16th notes are at the beginning. The 8th note is at the end. Well, what's beat 4, by the way? 4, right? Let's go back to beat 3. What if we covered up the second half and just had the two 16th notes? Well, what if we say at the very beginning of the 16th? Well, this is beat 3, so we'd say, well, what if we had 4 16th notes? What would it be? 3 E and up, right? 3 E and up. So what are the first two that we would say? 3 E, right? 3 E. And then we have to add the 8th note. It sounds like this. 3 E and. Listen again. 3 E and, right? Oh my goodness gracious. Whoops, what am I doing here? There it is. Check it out. 1 and 2, 3 E and 4. Your turn, ready, and here you go. 1 and 2, 3 E and 4. Say it 4 times. Ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 E and 4. 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 Oh, mercy. Look at the next one. Beat 1. We've got two 16th notes followed by an 8th note. How does it sound? 1 E and. What about beat 2? 2, right? What about beat 3? 3 and of course beat 4 is 4. 1 E and 2, 3 and 4. Say it, ready, here you go. 1 E and 2, 3 and 4. Say it 4 times, ready, go. 1 E and 2, 3 and 4. 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 Oh man. Beat 1, what do you say? 1 E and. Beat 2. 2 E and. Beat 3. 3 E and. Beat 4. 4 and. Listen. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 and. Are you ready? And here you go. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 and. Say it 4 times. Ready? Go. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 and. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 and. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 and. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 and. How about this next one? Look at beat 1. 1 E and a. Look at beat 2. 2 E and. Beat 3. 3 E and beat 4. 4. Sounds like this. Listen, 1 E and a, 2 E and, 3 E and 4. Are you ready? Here you go. 1 E and a, 2 E and, 3 E and 4. Do it 4 times. Ready? Go. 1 E and a, 2 E and, 3 E and 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and, 3 E and 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and, 3 E and 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and, 3 E and 4.